Did you know that every 100 rupees you spent on a product, almost 14 rupees goes just into moving it around and waiting in a traffic? It's true. For Indian small businesses, manufacturing the products is often easy part, but it's the delivery that kills their profits. Right now, an average delivery truck spends more time standing idle or waiting for paperwork or written loads than it does actually driving. For our MSMEs, this old way of moving goods wastes massive amounts of time and money. So, how do we fix this? The answer is smart supply chain management. A smart supply chain simply means realizing moving goods isn't just about trucks anymore, it is about data. Instead of making frantic phone calls to find out delayed shipment while your factory waits, a smart system uses a simple software to warn you ahead of time so that you fix the problem before it costs you a single rupee. And the best part is, it relies on the technology as simple as the apps you use on your phone. Smart inventory. Instead of just guessing how much to manufacture, every day digital billing and inventory apps looks at your past sales and predict what you need to make next and how much. That means no more guessing and no more wasted stock. Live tracking. Instead of calling 10 different transporters, apps like ShipRocket and Porter let you compare the shipping rates, book a truck, and track your goods live on the map. Just like tracking a food delivery. Easy connections. Government backed digital networks like Open Network for Digital Commerce allows small businesses to find reliable suppliers and connects with logistic partners directly, cutting out the middlemen. So, going smart is no longer just a luxury for massive rich companies. These everyday tools are affordable, easy to use, and available right on your phone. By upgrading, Indian small businesses can cut their hidden transport cost, delivery faster, and build unshakable buyer trust. It takes away the daily headache of logistics, letting owners focus on to create great products. When our small businesses work smarter, the entire nation moves faster. So, switch to smart supply chain management today. And stay tuned with Extron for more such videos. Let's make Made in India a global gold standard.